Here we are at our 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24. This is a rental fleet boat number 5. There are currently around 220 engine hours on this one. This is powered by a Yamaha 115 horsepower 4-stroke outboard motor. And this is an 8.5 foot beam, 24 foot length. It's rated for 13. We've got 11 cup holders on board. We do have some docking lights here on the bow. All the navigation lights pass the function testing. We do have a 46-inch front deck space on this one that's outside the railing. We've got the 4 entry gates. That's the bow, stern, and port and starboard sides. Get Bimini top overhead. Vinyl, low maintenance vinyl flooring. You've got the plastic molded seat bases. Here's our pop-up changing room. This canvas unhooks here, and then we'll drop down. I've just got it stowed in the bag there. It's a little bit easier for me to put this away one-handed. That strap just hooks right onto there. And you're in business, you can just lower it down. There's no trailer included with these. Contact us and we'd be happy to price you a new trailer at our cost or arrange to have the boat delivered to you. We are on the north side of Norris Lake. Local or nationwide delivery is available. We'd be happy to get you quotes on that. We do have a Jensen AM, FM, USB auxiliary Bluetooth stereo. There's 2 stereo speakers and a 12-volt power outlet. You've got a tachometer and a fuel gauge here at your helm station and a functioning horn on this one. Again, this one is rated for 13. There are no removable tables included, but you do have the table mount there. And then this storage space back here behind your L-shaped bench seat that doubles as a sun pad. Here's your rear exit gate. That is a 5-step swim boarding ladder, ski tow bar, 38-gallon fuel capacity, 28-inch diameter pontoons. And we do need a new corner rear plate on both port and starboard sides. There you are. So you're going to visit our website to see the current asking price. We don't mention those in the video tours because those will often change throughout a listing. These are going to be offered for a limited time. These will be available until some point in February. That's about when it will be too late for them to replace these boats. So if you go to our website, again, that's www.yournewboat.com. Click the Find Your New Boat button. That's going to show you all the inventory and order of price. Scroll down and you'll eventually get to the 2018 SunChaser Geneva 24 rental fleet. You'll see the price, that's per unit, and then when you click into that link you'll see exactly how many are still available. You'll be able to look at the photos of each unit. We try to show you all the wear and tear that we notice so that you can make an informed decision. And whatever is unsold this year will be running another season and will probably become available for purchase in 2000 and after the 2019 season. So that'll wrap things up here for unit number 5. You can contact us through our website for any questions. You can contact us by phone, by text, or by email. If you call us on the phone and you get our voice message or voicemail, please leave a detailed message so I can have any questions answered whenever I call you back. Thank you very much for joining us.